Y'all, my wash and go turned out like booty juice. So I'm gonna show y'all what I do when my wash and go is booty juice. So I'm gonna take some of this, I cannot say her name, Talia Wajid green apple and aloe with coconut curl elixir. Stuff smells so good. That's what it looks like. It's all creamy and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna take a little bit of that, and I'm going to just put some through my hair because it looks like booty juice. Okay. Basically, I'm gonna take my comb, make sure I am nice and detangled. Know what I mean? Know what I mean? All right. And I like to get in the middle too because that's the thickest part of my hair. Gonna brush my hair up, as you can see. Then I'm gonna take my diamond brush and gonna make sure I'm nice and smooth. I'm brushing into a ponytail, girl. I rarely ever wear buns, but when I do, it's because my wash and go was booty juice. And I'm in pressed for time, and I got 3 kids. Trying to make sure I look good and, well, decent, you know. So I'm gonna take scrunchie. I'm gonna make big pineapple. Make sure my edges is okay, which I already had them laid from earlier. But it's okay. We're gonna make sure they still okay, girl. I like to make sure my sideburns are pushed up because I do not like them things getting in my ear. I hate when they curl into your ear. All right. So now, all I'm gonna do is wrap my hair around the hair tie, basically making this puffy little bun. Okay. Take a bobby pin, pin it down, and I'm gonna just keep pinning until I feel like I'm cute. It's probably like the worst bun tutorial y'all seen, but it's okay because I don't wear buns often. Make sure the bobby pin is like this and not the other way, or else you won't get maximum hold. Look at that piece of hair. Let me be great. Let me be great, hair. Let me be great. You just don't want me to be great today. Okay. I'm just pinning until I feel like it's dope. As you know, curly girls love them some bobby pins. They be lost in our hair, you know. But yeah. I'm gonna use one more. If I can get the darn bobby pin to work. Pin it down. Oh yes, girl. We is cute. That is one way I do a bun. I'll show you my second way. Okay, so the second way I do my bun, it's okay, you take another hair tie. Gonna act like you making another bun, another ponytail. Wrap it around. I bring all my hair forward. And then I just pull it through. Oh girl, this is a mess. And take some bobby pins and pin down the areas I do not like sticking out, you know. I feel like y'all seen these buns a million times, but hey, y'all gonna see on 1,000,001. Because this is every girl, curly girl's go-to bun, I feel like. But yeah, just make sure everything's nice and neat and cute. I'm just bobby pinning random spots I feel need to be bobby pinned, you know. But yes, girl, yes. That one curl that won't let you be great. Tell you about them curls. Yes, girl, we is laid. Yeah, this is my go-to. My go-to. But yeah, make sure them sideburns is up. Everything is nice and neat, you know. I know y'all see that curl won't let me be great, but it's okay. We just gonna let her be great by itself. And yeah, that's it. Literally took me 1 minute and 30 seconds to do this bun. And I hope y'all enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, follow whatever platform you're on. Thanks for the support. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.